Hello students, this is your science class and class 7. Today the topic which we are going to start is reversible and irreversible changes from the chapter physical and chemical changes and processes. So we will see what are the reversible changes and irreversible changes. First of all, reversible changes. It is type of a change which can go forward or in the backward direction. It is a temporary change, an example of which is switching on off bulb. Like we switch on the bulb and we can switch off the bulb at the same time, so it is a reversible change. It can be reversed back. Wetting dry clothes, when we place the clothes to dry them, when the water will evaporate, the clothes will dry. Irreversible changes, these changes cannot go back, and so that they are called the permanent changes, example of which is the rotting of the fruit and burning of the paper. Once the paper is burned, you cannot change that paper into the previous form. So it is a irreversible or a permanent change. Next topic is uses and harmful effects of fertilizers. Farmers use certain substances called fertilizers that will increase the fertility of the soil. Usually organic manure is used. Waste material of plants and animals is called the manure. Manure, it is rich in nutrients and needed by the soil, and in turn it increases the production of crops. Harmful effect, water pollution. In case of excess spreading of some fertilizers are not further absorbed by the plants, so these fertilizers with the rain water reach into the canals and river, causing the water pollution and encouraging the growth of the harmful bacteria, microorganism and algae. Air pollution. During the manufacture of some fertilizers, fossil fuel like coal and natural gas is used, due to which the smoke containing the toxic chemicals, they become the part of the air, and when we inhale this air, we have certain respiratory problems. Now comes the question answers. The question is, how are fertilizers useful and harmful for us? Uses of fertilizers. Farmers use certain substances called fertilizers to increase the fertility of the soil. Fertilizers contain essential nutrients for plants. Harmful effect of fertilizers. Water pollution. In case of excess spreading, some fertilizers are not absorbed by the plants, and these fertilizers reach into canals and rivers, causing water pollution and encouraging the growth of algae. Air pollution. During the manufacture of chemical fertilizers, a lot of fossil fuels such as coal and natural gas is used, due to which natural reserves are reducing quickly and also increasing air pollution. Next question is to explain the reversible and irreversible changes with example. Irreversible change definition. A change that can go forward and backward is called reversible change. It is a temporary change. We can get same thing again. Example, melting of ice into liquid water, mixing of salt in water, switching on a tube light. Irreversible change, a change that cannot go back, is called irreversible change. Property, it is a permanent change. We cannot again get the same thing in its original form. Example, turning of milk into yogurt, burning of paper and rotting of egg or fruit.